Okay, here we have a Boss Chorus CE-3, probably dating from somewhere in the 1980s, so it's got quite a few years under the belt. It's brought into me. It had some issues. One was this rate knob was completely sheared off. It was inside, here it is, there's left of it. The top is sheared completely off. So that was one job for me to replace, which I managed to do. And also, it would work in a fashion, but the LED wouldn't light up. And when I played it through my amp, I thought, there's an effect there, but it's not very pronounced, shall we say, not up front like it should be. So anyway, so I took the back off. The back's over there, and I'm sure it's very cramped to work on. Hang on a second. There, I'll just get my little stick. See that green one there? That's the replacement 9mm miniature potentiometer I managed to squeeze in there to replace this old broken one. So that was okay. It did occur to me maybe the LED bulb had blown, so I tested it. I actually swapped another one in and made absolutely no difference. I thought we've got an issue somewhere. And then I'd done a bit of research because I couldn't find nothing obviously wrong with this thing on it. And what made me sort of think about it and check up on it was because when I put a 9-volt battery in that compartment there, the LED then lit up dimly. So then I was thinking maybe there's an issue with the power supply from the mains. So I checked that, and I did have the 9 volts at this junction here, but not much else inside. So after a bit of digging, I found out that these pedals, when they came out, they were designed to use a 12 volt DC supply, not 9 volt, 12 volts. And the way you can determine that is because, let me just focus that. See that silver sticker to the right? It says use Boss ACA adapter only. ACA is 12 volt adapter. A PSA is a 9 volt. So these early ones ran off a 12 volt adapter. So I thought, what can I do to solve these issues? So basically, what I done, I found out that the 12 volt supply here goes through a voltage reduction circuit, which drops it from 12 volts to about 9 volts, something like this. So the actual pedal itself actually is running on 9 volts, but it needs a 12 volt at this end. So basically I bypassed the voltage reduction circuit, which is comprising of two components, a diode D1 and a resistor R1, and here they are, and you can see I've bridged them out. So now I've got 9 volts coming in there because I'm using a standard modern adapter, and I've still got my 9 volts into the main circuit. Whereas before, anybody who's running one of these, they put their 9 volt in, none the wiser, and they've got about 6.5, 7 volts in here, which is not enough really. I've tested this, and it works so much better now because it's got the full voltage. The chorus effect is very pronounced and really, really good. So that solved that problem. Swap it over. Yeah, I mean, I only had 2 of these knobs, and they're very minty, all sort of manky and horrible. And I tried it with just one different knob on because I can't get those ones. And in the end I thought, no, it looks a lot better if I put 3 sort of old school period ones identical on there. So I put 3 of my ones out of my kit that I've got stash of pop knobs and put that on there. This has also got a stereo function. It's got 2 outputs there on that side, and a knob up here. You can switch from mono to stereo. You've got depth here and rate knob. This is the one I replaced. So in a little while I'll just demonstrate it and we'll see how we get on. it's working perfectly. Let's try the depth. It's maximum depth. Yeah, that sounds good, as it should now. The effect is clear, pronounced, and the pedal is working as it should. And yeah, I was very pleased with that, being able to fix that. Yes, very happy. Anyway, I hope you liked it, and I'll say goodbye. Bye-bye.